I would like to reiterate that we have had very open discussions today, and we are now at a point where we know where the three countries want to go together, and hopefully we can get this position through, as was mentioned by my colleagues before, in August. A couple of comments were made whereby St. Maarten was mentioned in terms of this week's Kingdom Council of Ministers meeting. I would like to just ensure that St. Maarten has passed the first condition in terms of its LNT law since in 2020 or 2021, and it has been in effect. We've also continued to work towards the amendments that have been required in subsequent Minister RMR discussions and decisions, and we are at the point where, especially seeing the physical or the economic situation around the world, which is negatively impacting St. Maarten, that it is necessary to start to remove the conditions as well from the hardworking civil servants who are executing the very much needed reforms that we're working on. And so we'll continue to do what we have to